Welcome back to Aquatics Live YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell and all that jazz. Hey, I have my the little Bluetooth reader that I was working on for the Honda here. I'm going to show you the pinout of this here in a second, which I want to double check everything. Sorry for the motorcycle noise and everything in the background here. But anyway, we're in the Philippines. That's just the way it is. But anyway. So this is the actual like an L327 board that's on here. I'm just going to do the pin out of this. Essentially, it just goes, 1, 2, 3. These would be the pins that go into like an OBD2 reader on a car. So you just 1 through 8 on the top, and then 9 through 16 on the bottom here. I'll show a close-up of this. Essentially, this is a 6-pin Honda plug. There's only there's one pin that's not used on it as well. I believe that is on some of them they run them to pin 9 or something like that. But anyway, it's not used. I'm not going to mess with it. So. But I'm going to go through the pinout on this. Actually, I do want to verify the pinout for myself before I plug this into my bike. That's the worst thing you do is plug it in and burn something up. So there is some online information about it as well. So I'll post like pictures of the diagram that you're supposed to do to set these up. When I did this, essentially what I did is I bought this the Honda 6-pin to OBD2 reader adapter cable, and I cut it, and then I just took the pins that went to each one and I soldered them directly to the L327 board. So this should be just like the ones online, but I was like, okay, well, let me compare what other folks have already done just to verify that I didn't screw anything up when I was in a hurry. I did this like the day I was leaving. So being in a rush, it's not such a great idea. I cut back my heat shrink here so I can see which pins, and this is clear heat shrink on here, so I should be able to see everything going through and verify it to the 6 pins on here. But anyway, my idea on this is to, if I can get these set up, it might be, you could really make this even smaller and maybe sell these to folks instead of having to buy that big adapter cable. Then you just plug it into the bike and leave it in there. So anyway, I'll show you, switch you over so you can see straight at it. I'm just using the action cam here, so the camera footage and all that's not going to be super great, but I'll do the best I can. Okay, let's just draw this out here. If you can hopefully see, I'm just going to write these down. So we're going to call this pin 1 through pin 8 on the top up here. Okay, jumping back in here, let me show you this connector here. I got a picture of it. I'll pop in now. Essentially, like right here, it gives you a 1 and a 4. So this open pin right here is pin 1, so that's an unused pin. So we go from pin 1 to pin 2, which is this green wire on here. I don't know what your wires are going to be like, but anyway, so the next pin over, and let me get pin 2 is your can high, so this pin here, and that goes to pin 6 on here. So I'm going to put like a 2 up here. And then pin 3 is a ground wire, this yellow wire on mine, which ends up going to pins 4 and 5 on the Elm board. So in what I did on here, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I bridged these two together, and I have my yellow wire going there. So that's confirmed. That is our ground on pin 3. And then our next one over, so we did 6, so the next one would be 7. And this is a little haphazard here, but anyway, so pin 7 on there goes to pin 6 on here. So we got our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so red, which I don't know why they use red, but whatever, red is our K line, and that is going to, like I said, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 7's K line, and that goes to pin 6 of the red connector. Now we're skipping a whole bunch of pins here, as you can see. Skipping this whole bottom row here. I don't know if the lighting's going to be 1, 2, so this is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So our next pin is pin 14. That's our can low. And then we skip pin 16. And also can low goes to our pin 14, which is pin 5 of this connector. So that would be this blue wire. And we'll just make sure that the blue wire here is going. Yep, yeah, the blue wire is going to there, which is our can low. And then the last wire is this black one right here, which would be pin 4. And pin 4 is our VBAT positive going to pin 16 of our board over here. So yep, pin 16. Yeah, I don't know why they're using black for the VBAT, but whatever. And it's our 4, and we forgot to write down our can low here. Which was our pin 5. Okay, so we got all of our stuff lined up. It looks about right, and I hope this will help other folks out. But also, just remember from the back side, if you look over here on the side of the connector is where our number indications are. There is a 1 over there, and so this top one right here is our pin 1. Pretty much does it. So I hope that helps out other folks. These Honda motorbikes over here was a little new to me to set this up. I don't know why they don't already sell something like this, or just a very shortened version. So that might be something that I work on. We'll see. I made this little pigtail, but I'm going to see where this fits best, and maybe I can make a little setup and sell these or something on Shopee. So anyway, or AliExpress. So I'll see you guys. Thanks for watching.